So in this video we are going to do a little unboxing. Here I have a order with some plants, or actually a single plant and an insecticide. So we will see it in a moment. I know usually I'm doing unboxings with orchids, but I think this plant is really interesting. So let's see how it looks like. Oh my god, I have two things here. That's really nice. I wasn't really expecting this. It seems like I have two plants, guys. But it's so nice. I'm really curious what it is. I actually received a bonus plant from this company. By the way, the order was made from Secret Garden here in Romania. You know, I am doing quite a lot of purchases from them, let's say. Plant, I'm not sure how it is called in English, but I will find out and post it on the screen. This is pretty much how the blooms look like. These are actually faded, but she does have many more buds to come. It is normal for the blooms to fade in transport, but you can see by the faded blooms how beautiful she is. Gorgeous one. And let's see what is the bonus plant. It seems I have two, guys. How freaking awesome is that? I'm curious if it is a different color or not. Or they are two of the same one. This is really nice. Look at that. This is so pretty. And she's very healthy actually. I really love these ones. And I have something more here. Yes, I bought an insecticide. This is an insecticide which kills spider mites and other insects that but I was really interested in using this against spider mites, and here I have some directions for using. It is very effective against the red spider mite and also against the false spider mite, but it does kill aphids, mealybugs, scales, so pretty much it is very good to use against pretty much all the pests that came with orchids. It's called Milbenk, something of that sort. You can read it here, but it's really nice. Okay, so I have completely unwrapped my little plants, and we can see that they are called pelargonium peltatum. Quite interesting name, let's say, and I'm quite happy to say that these plants are very healthy. They do have good foliage, pretty good roots, they are hydrated. The blooms indeed didn't fare well the transport, but that was to be expected because usually blooms don't really resist on transport. I'm happy that my little plants did arrive well, and I'm super happy that I have a bonus plant. Usually these days we don't really receive gifts from sellers anymore. So okay guys, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I will be more than happy to answer them. Thank you very much for watching and see you all next time. Bye!